Most personal injury firms don't have a marketing problem. They have a conversion problem. Plenty of firms are already generating plenty of leads. They're just losing them in the moments that matter most. After working with law firms at scale, we see the same mistakes again and again. And they're not complicated, but they are expensive. Here are 7 marketing mistakes quietly costing personal injury firms serious revenue and how to fix them. Number 1, treating leads like they can wait. When someone calls your firm after an accident, it's not casual. They're overwhelmed, they need answers, and they need help now. If they hit voicemail or wait too long for a callback, they'll move on. Every call needs an immediate answer or a callback within minutes. Speed is your biggest competitive advantage. And more often than not, it's the distance between signing the case and losing it. Number 2, untrained first touch. Whoever answers the phone isn't just handling intake. They're shaping the client's first impression of your firm. If the first interaction feels uncertain, rushed, or unhelpful, any trust is gone immediately. Train your frontline to capture key information, communicate urgency, and confidently set expectations for what happens next. Every call should feel like their needs are a priority. Number 3, phone trees and friction. No one wants to press 1, press 2, and guess their way through your system, especially when you've been in a car accident. The more effort it takes to reach a real person, the more likely they are to simply hang up in frustration. Reduce the steps, remove the barriers, and get people to a human as quickly as possible. Number 4, missing after-hour opportunities. Many firms spend heavily on marketing, then miss valuable leads simply because the call came in after business hours. This is not a marketing issue. That's a system failure. Use a vetted answering service or live after-hours coverage so qualified leads don't disappear overnight. Number 5, weak or generic voicemails. Ideally, no lead ever hits voicemail, but if they do, that message matters. A generic, leave a message and we'll get back to you, doesn't create urgency or confidence. Your voicemail should reassure the caller, communicate their situation matters, and make a clear promise of a fast response. Even backup systems should be built to convert. Number 6, not actively generating reviews. In personal injury, reviews aren't just a nice to have. They're proof. If your competitors have stronger, more recent reviews, they have the advantage before the conversation even starts. Build review generation into your process. Ask consistently, ask the right time, and treat reputation as a part of the conversation, not a separate marketing task. Number 7, treating intake like admin work. Too many firms treat intake as a formality rather than what it actually is, a sales process. Every call is a decision point. Your job isn't just to gather information. Focus on understanding the client's problem, build trust, and clearly explain how you can help. Wrapping up. None of these mistakes are complicated, but together they create costly leaks throughout your pipeline. Missed calls, slow follow-up, and overall weak intake don't just hurt efficiency. They cost potential cases. Because it's not just about generating demand, it's about what happens after the phone rings. At Quintessa, we focus on the full case pipeline, from first contact through qualification, follow-up, and signature. One system, clear ownership, no guesswork. More leads mean nothing if they don't turn into signed potential cases. Start building a system that delivers potential cases with Quintessa.